Hello everyone, I'm H.Rauf, and for today's video, our third activity in analytical chemistry, which is the equipment and manipulation for filtration. And my objectives are to learn on how to use the equipment of filtration and to introduce the different types of filtration equipment in lab, and lastly, to define what is filtration and decantation. The different types of filtration equipment in lab. Number 1, separatory funnel. Number 2, Bunchner funnel. And lastly, absorbent. Decantation is a process of pouring a gently so as to not disturb a solid in bottom of container. What is filtration? The process in which solid particles in a solid or gaseous fluid are removed by the use of a filter, medium that permits the solid to pass through but retains the solid particles. Either the clarified fluid or the solid particles removed from the fluid may be the desired product. Separatory funnel. A separatory funnel, also known as a separation funnel, separating funnel, or colloquially SIF funnel, is a piece of laboratory glassware used in liquid-liquid extraction to separate, partition the components of a mixture into two immiscible solvent pieces of different densities. Bunchner funnel. A Bunchner funnel is a piece of laboratory equipment used in filtration. It is traditionally made of porcelain, but glass and plastic funnels are also available. On top of the funnel shape part, there is a cylinder with a freighted glass disc, perforated plate separating it from the funnel. Absorbent is an insoluble material coated by liquid on the surface, including capillaries and pores. A material is said to be absorbent when it has the capacity to contain a definite amount of liquid, a small chamber similar to a sponge. Experiment. To separate a mixture of mud and water by filtration. Mix mud and water in a clear glass beaker. We observe that the color of the mixture turns brown. Take a cellular filter paper and fold it in half, and then in half again so that you get a cone shape. Place the conical filter paper inside the funnel. To use the filter paper, open it up into a cone shape with 3 layers on one side of the cone and 1 layer on the other. It will form a cone shape. Put another glass beaker below the funnel. Pour the mud water slowly into the cone with the help of a glass rod. Watch it drop through the filter paper and funnel. We observe clear water getting collected in the other beaker placed below the funnel and the mud in the filter paper. The substance that remains in the filter paper is called residue. The clear liquid or the substance that is collected after filtration is called filtrate. This method of separating insoluble impurities or substances from a liquid is called filtration. Generalization. Filtration is extremely important to keep things like water, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals clean, pure, and free of contaminants. If it is waterfall filtration, we may not have safe drinking water because it plays a crucial role in eliminating sediment, sand, gravel, carbon, and other suspended particles.